In this video, you'll learn how to manage multiple eBay accounts effectively while ensuring compliance with platform policies. By following these steps, you can create and maintain additional accounts for different business needs without risking suspension. The first step involves confirming your compliance with eBay's policies regarding multiple accounts. It is essential to review the platform's rules to ensure that you have a valid reason for maintaining more than one account. Valid reasons may include managing separate businesses or focusing on distinct product categories. Each account must adhere to eBay's policies independently, and it is crucial to avoid using multiple accounts to circumvent any restrictions. Additionally, prepare separate contact details for each account, as this will help you manage communications effectively. Only proceed with creating additional accounts if you are confident that you meet these requirements. Next, you will create your additional eBay account. Begin by navigating to the eBay registration page. Use a different email address and enter the required personal details for the new account. After submitting your information, you will receive a confirmation code via email. This step is vital, as verifying your contact information ensures that your account is secure. If prompted, comply with eBay's security measures. Once your identity is confirmed, add your payment and payout methods for the new account. It is important to ensure that all the provided information is accurate and up to date. After completing these steps, activate your account access to start using it. The final step involves managing your accounts properly to maintain compliance and good standing. Keep your login details for each account separate and organized to avoid confusion. It is essential to follow eBay's policies strictly across both accounts to prevent any issues. Monitor the performance metrics of each account individually to understand how they are performing. Avoid listing identical items on both accounts at the same time, as this may violate eBay's rules and lead to complications. Additionally, be sure to respond to buyers promptly from each account to foster a positive selling experience. Maintaining good standing on all accounts is crucial for ongoing success. Throughout this process, always be mindful of eBay's policies and your account standing. Regularly check for any updates to the platform's rules that may affect your accounts. If you encounter any issues, such as a suspension, be prepared to address them promptly by reviewing your compliance and making necessary adjustments. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.